Hi guys, how are you? So, hindi ako masyadong pwedeng magsalita kasi I'm here at work and I'm just waiting for a patient. And ayan, ready na everything. Ready na siya. I'm just waiting for, like I said, the patient. And malakas yung AC dito, pero grabe, niinitan pa rin ako. So, I have my little portable fan here that runs on USB. So, anyways, hello lang ako sa inyo. So, andito ako. Siyempre, naghahanap buhay. Right there. Ayan yung parking lot. Ang ganda ng office, guys, no? Very relaxing and it's very tranquil. So, may mga pasyente sa ibang room. Usually, ang room naman namin dito at 3. So, isa, she's getting her teeth cleaned and ito, nag-aantay lang. So, anyways, I hope all is well. Just like a real quick video lang just to say, I'm at work. Sige, ingat guys! Hi guys! Just a real quick video lang. I just got out of work and I was like craving for Filipino palabok. So Austin and I are here sa Red Ribbon. Ang laki ng Red Ribbon dito guys, so. And it's inside the grocery store ng Seafood City. And then so Austin bought some food and para tayo mag-unboxing ng food. So this is their arroz caldo. That's their arroz caldo. And then what else? And then they have this deal. It's like $20. You get tatlong empanada. You know guys, the empanada here sa States, iba sa empanada sa Red Ribbon sa Philippines. Let me show you. At saka alam niyo guys, mas masarap ang empanada nila dito. Let me show you the empanada guys. Ayan o. Ganyan yung empanada nila dito. Ayan guys o. That's your empanada here. Diba yung empanada sa Philippines, parang baked siya na may egg wash? I think this one is fried and the corners are very crunchy. At ang sarap niya. Very different from the recipe ng Red Ribbon sa Philippines. And then we ordered, can you open that Austin? Yung palabok nila. And guys, masarap yung palabok nila dito. Kaya lang, alam mo yung palabok nila dito. Like yung isang ganyan, almost 1,000 pesos na yan. Yeah, and then also open this one. Naku guys, I'm gonna make a different vlog para andun yung mga shoutouts ha. Ito lang yung part I just wanted to show you what I did after work. And I'm craving Filipino food. And then there's mango cake there. Ayan. And napanood nyo ba yung abre-abre, yung pinadala kong Balikbayan box sa Philippines? Napanood nyo ba? Pinanood ka namin ni Austin eh. And I'm glad na gustuhan nila. So anyways guys, I just wanted to say hello. Kakain na muna kami and then I'll just come back later. Anyways guys, have a very good day. Talk to you later. Bye!